Let's quickly talk about something I think a lot of us developers need to hear at some point in our journey, which are 5 reasons why you may not be growing as expected as a software developer. You see, whether you're just starting out in your journey or you have been at it for a while, one thing we know for a fact is that growth is essential, and sometimes we get stuck, and that's totally fine. If you find yourself in such a situation, here are some key points and possible fixes. 1. No roadmap. Now you might think you are learning because you are reading documentations, watching tutorials, and trying new frameworks. But you don't actually have a clear plan, and all you are doing is wandering through a digital wilderness. Without a roadmap, it's easy to get stuck in a loop where you are relearning things you already know or getting into topics that don't really help you grow. Make sure you outline what you want to achieve, be it learning a specific technology, improving algorithms, or mastering a specific language. You see, what a roadmap does for you is gives you purpose and it gives you direction. 2. Too much theory but not enough practice. And yes, we've all been there. Endless tutorials that give you the feeling of progress, but in reality you're not doing anything. You're just stuck in a cycle of consuming theory, without ever applying it. It's like reading about how to ride a power bike but never actually getting on one. The key is to build something, anything. You see, practice is the bridge between theory and mastery. So pick a project, make it messy, make mistakes. See, it's totally fine. You will learn faster by doing than just watching. 3. Fixed mindset. Ever found yourself wondering, I will never get good at this, or I would never understand algorithms? You see, that's just your brain locking you into a fixed mindset. Now, this one's sneaky. If you believe your abilities are limited, they will be. But here's the hack: switch to a growth mindset. It's okay to struggle, it's okay to fail. Every bug you fix, every error you solve, see, you are growing. Instead of, I can't do this, start thinking, I can't do this yet. See, that little word makes all the difference. 4. Lack of focus. You're all over the place. You're trying to get into front-end development, back-end development, DevOps engineering, and more, all at the same time. You see, trying to learn more than one thing at a time can really dilute your progress. Why not rather focus on a few key areas at a time, whether it be mastering React, becoming a better designer, or getting better at the back end. You see, laser focus on a few key areas can improve your skills exponentially. It's more or less like a captain of a ship who's trying to go from point A to point B, C, and D all at the same time. Impossible, right? Let's have a quick recap. First, we talk about how having a roadmap can leave you wandering aimlessly. Secondly, we discuss the dangers of tutorial hell, getting stuck in theory without practice. And of course, having a fixed mindset can hold you back more than any technical challenge. Finally, we cover the importance of focus, mastering a few things instead of spreading yourself too thin. But there's one final piece to the puzzle that most developers ignore, which brings us to the 5th point: building in public. Sharing your journey, even if you're not an expert, is one of the most effective ways to grow. Tweet about it, blog about it, share your code on GitHub. When you build in public, you hold yourself accountable, you connect with others, and the feedback you get can be game-changing. Plus, you get to show off your skills, whether it's potential employers or like-minded devs that can help you grow. At the end of the day, growth as a developer is all about recognizing where you are getting stuck and making the right changes to push through those barriers. Let me know in the comment section if any of the 5 points discussed sounds familiar. And remember, it's not just about working hard, but working smart and focusing on the right things. If you found this video interesting, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tips on how to level up your dev game. Thank you for watching.